Now, let's say you know somebody right now that has bad credit, that wants to work on their credit, and they sign up for that 188 to get started. You're gonna generate 40% of that 188 in your bank account. So you're gonna make $75 basically every time you give someone that credit the Freedom Wealth program. But here's where the residual money comes in. Remember, $99 a month, no contract. Every time they pay that $99 a month, you're going to get 30% of that. So you're going to get 30%, so you can get out $30 every single month.